In this video, we'll compare the specs of the Samsung Galaxy A04s and A05s. No extra fluff, just the specs to see what the newer entry-level Samsung phone offers. Let's begin. One important aspect is the size. Samsung made the A05s slightly bigger. They borrowed the shape of the A14 and applied it to the A05s, making it, in my opinion, slightly less comfortable to handle. However, as you will see, the newer phone compensates by having better specs. In terms of weight, they're practically the same, with only a 1 gram difference. Since these are budget phones, they share the same build quality, glass on the front with a plastic frame and back. However, I prefer the A05s design, with its cool reflections giving it a more premium look. The display is also a major improvement on the A05s. Although Samsung used the same PLS LCD type, the colors look more vibrant. It's also brighter, by roughly 50 nits, so you'll have fewer issues using it outdoors. Additionally, the A05s has a better screen-to-body ratio, with the display covering 83% of the body. In terms of pixel density, the A05s is better as well, offering a nice Full HD Plus resolution, so the screen on the newer phone provides a much better viewing experience. Regarding hardware performance, there is a significant difference. Both phones perform like budget phones, good enough for multitasking, but on the A05s you can also do some light gaming. The A05s isn't as laggy as the A04s, and I appreciate that. Overall, its performance is roughly 50% better than its rival. The newer phone also stands out in the operating system department. Even though both will receive two major OS updates, the A05s comes with Android 13, a more recent operating system. As for storage, both smartphones feature a microSD card slot for memory expansion up to 1 TB. However, the A05s takes the lead here again, with even the base model offering 64 GB of internal storage. If you opt for a more expensive version, you also get more storage and RAM. The cameras are very similar, but the newer phone has a 13 megapixel selfie camera, an improvement from the A04s 5 megapixels. On the back, both have a 50 megapixel main camera, along with a macro and a depth camera. Video recording is better on the A05s, as it supports Full HD and can record at a maximum of 60 frames per second, which is great for slow motion shots. A disappointment is the lack of stereo speakers. Both phones have just a single speaker positioned at the bottom. Fortunately, they still include the useful 3.5mm headphone jack. Both models feature a fingerprint reader on the right side, although I like the A05s more, as its fingerprint reader is positioned slightly higher, making it more comfortable to reach. The 5000 mAh battery now charges faster on the newer phone, supporting 25 watts, a significant upgrade from the slower charging on the A04s. In conclusion, the A05s is the better phone. You get 5 key advantages by choosing it: more internal memory, more recent software, better hardware performance, faster charging, and a much better display. I will make more smartphone comparisons. If you want to see them, press that like and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!